Good morning, student. Welcome to the class discussion of Marketing Management ABM 516 of MBA Agribusiness. Today, this is really good time when we are starting the education of batch 2020-22, that is 21st batch for MBA Agribusiness. I am Vivek Vyas, working as assistant professor for marketing subject at IIBM SK Rajasthan Agriculture University, welcoming you to this very interesting subject of marketing management. As you are looking at the screen, you can see the syllabus designed and available for your this semester and curriculum. You can see this syllabus has been bifurcated or divided into 5 areas, which are namely unit wise. 5 units are there. The first unit will include introduction and concepts related to marketing, philosophies of marketing, marketing environment, strategic environment, marketing mix, market segmentation, targeting, positioning, buyer behavior, marketing organization and control. Second unit include market research, market potential and forecasting, marketing information system, classification of products, product labels, new product development, product life cycle, product line and product mix management. Whereas unit third will discuss about factor affecting prices, pricing policies and strategies, pricing methods, dealing with competition. Unit fourth deal with type of distribution channels, functions of channel members, channel management decision. Whereas last unit discuss with promotional mix, that is introduction to advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, publicity and public relation, direct marketing, branding, packaging and labeling, managing integrated marketing promotions, customer relationship management, marketing in 21st century, and implication of recent economic condition. Friends, as we all are witnessing and experiencing the tragic time of epidemic corona, and in this time the business activities also hamper badly, as in advertisement or newspaper or media or different social media, you are looking that different organization taking different strategy to market their product. I hope you have witnessed the advertisement also incorporating this COVID impact and safety factor into their advertising promotions. So this is one of the uncertain situation covering marketing. In general term, there are different terminology which will be used by the subject marketing management. So we can say this subject marketing management is basically a combination of several subjects. Those subjects include social study, that include psychology, that include economics, it include consumer behavior, it include human behavior, it include financials and different analysis. Marketing management also required some basic knowledge about say production, engineering, quality, so the marketing people can discuss and share things about the product benefits or the attributes of the product. So in and all, we can see that marketing management borrows so many concepts and discipline from other subjects. So that's how it becomes very interesting to know if you want to become a marketing manager, you have to be very interestingly aware about different stream of thinking. You have to be aware about the social trends, you have to be aware about the historical factors, you have to be aware about the psychometric level analysis of individual as well as society, how one person decide, how a family decide, and how a social factor impact the buying decision process or decision process. In this journey, we also used to analyze that how and why consumer go and purchase particular thing, and after purchase what happened into their mindset. We have to study the mindset, we have to analyze the mindset. There are different tools available for that. For example, marketing information system, marketing intelligence system, they all gives a basic idea about what are the factors which are affecting the consumer behavior. And consumer behavior also provide a sound base by nowadays in case of data analytics, marketing analytics. So analytics is basically when you have multi uh, large number of data for a particular segment of organization, and then you churn that data, get the particular information which is useful to take the decision. By analytics or data analytics, you would get a more appropriate data, more appropriate insight about the decision making or the consumer set or psyche of the target segment. So I'm utilizing here different words. When we will discuss this subject, we all will share everything about that. What do we understand by output? What are the products? What are the services? What are the offerings? How product is different from brands? How branding exercise actually take place? What are the pillars of marketing? What are the strategic mix? How we differentiate the marketing mix? How we design, and what are the recent marketing mix in present time? Is the marketing is a dynamic subject or a consistent subject? So these all factor we will be studying in that. So my advice to all of you is very simple, that if you are a marketing management student, you should be very observant. You can look the marketing exercise all around. You can feel that the environment of any organization is actually designed by the marketing management managers. You can see this is the face of marketing. You can, for example, you can see Dhoni as a brand. You can see Mr. Amitabh Bachchan as a brand. You can see so many personality representing different brands. For example, in case of Agri Input, Dhanuka have brand ambassador as Mahendra Singh Dhoni. There are so many companies who are doing wonderful job, wonderful work to serve the social segments and different part of the society. Similarly, there are agri input companies, the companies which is providing different input for agricultural production. That may be seed companies, that may be plant production companies, there may be fertilizer companies, farm machineries companies. These all are also doing wonderful job in their marketing and their business practices. So how they are doing that? What are their ways? Is there any difference between a service company or a product company? How we can differentiate them? What are the key factor of success for the market? These all will be the study of discussion in this case of marketing management. So I expect that you all will be having a very high level of interest to understand how and why company do what they actually do. The practices of doing those things is very interesting, and when you get to know about the back background work and what I can say, the back the curtain exercises of the managers, you would be amazed that this is really wonderful things to do, and you also want to replicate the same in company when you're going to join them as an summer intern or final trainee, or you may start your own venture, and that in that time you would be having those practices. We will also discuss about the how environment also impact everything, the environment at micro level, at macro level. So that's how we also borrow concepts from economics. So in nutshell, I would like to say this subject is very interesting. You have to be very keen, and the interesting part is your thinking to integrate the multidisciplinary learning in case of marketing management would be an asset for you. Once you get to know about the different fundamental of different area, definitely you will be more equipped to be a effective decision maker in term of marketing management. So welcome you back again. Thank you so much. And these are suggested reading as I already written on the student manual. You can follow the book by Philip Kotler, the book by McCarthy, the book by Rajan Saxena, the book by Perold William, the book by Ramaswamy Namakumari, the book by J.C. Gandhi. So these books also include Indian authors as well as foreign authors. So any of these books you can refer, and I recommend you to at least go through 2 to 3 books or at least 4 books, so you can get a fair idea about the subject matter. Other than that, you can also go to the TEDx platform. You can go to the Swayam portal. There are different online courses available for the marketing management. You can go that, and I strongly recommend that because you have to see what others are learning. How, for example, IIM Bangalore teaching marketing management to their students. If you can join the online course from Harvard or maybe Kellogg School of Business, definitely your learning should be upgraded to that level, and we can apply the same level of learning to the agri field. So there are different circumstances in USA, there are different circumstances in say Australia or maybe any other part of country, and there are different circumstances in India. So we have to understand what are the challenges and benefit available for our country, and how as a marketing manager we could take the right decision. And friends, this is really interesting to know. In any organization, if your production is even good, until unless you are good into the marketing, your finances, your business processes definitely don't get that much height, which is basically the part of marketing management. So marketing is the key behind success of any organization, definitely supported and backed by the finance, the production unit, and HR unit. So in the present time, marketing is the face of the organization. So definitely you have to be very very ready and very equipped with your skills and set. And in case of the present time where sustainability is a very key to success and key for the future decision making, so how sustainable business practices with reference to this marketing and the challenges with marketing and evils of marketing we should also know. We will discuss about these all things in the due course. Thank you so much and all the best.